Hello everybody, hola todos. Today I'm going to bring you along with me to do a mini what I eat in a day. So I do a balance of actual meals, and then I do use my supplements, proteins, and so on and so forth. You shouldn't be compromising your protein, carb intake. Your food is your fuel. That's how you get through the day. That's how you feed your body, which is the most important thing. Now, I think it's not mentioned enough, and I will definitely do a more in-depth video, and this is coming for you guys, going a little bit further into depth into proteins. But I want to keep this very easy, very simple, just so you guys understand the key things. And for me, key is when you look at your meal or anything that you're having, whether it be a shake, whether it be an actual meal, when you're looking down, you should have 3 things in there: your protein, your veggies, and either your carbohydrate or your fat source. At no point should you get rid of your carbs or your fats, guys. I know that that's a huge misconception out there. Wrong. That is a huge no-no. That is fuel for you. You need it to run. So I'm gonna show you guys an app. It's free. I've had this on my phone for years, and this is what really helped me to understand what I'm actually eating. So I actually got this prior to getting a trainer, starting meal prep, and all that good stuff, because I wanted to just get a baseline for myself. Like, what am I really eating? How much am I really eating? You're gonna see me do a little bit of measurements, but not too much, because like I said, I really don't count. I just kind of know my body already, but it's taken me a while to know my body, and I've tried a lot of different techniques, preps, start understanding what you're intaking, so that way you can understand where you can kind of give and take a little bit. Doesn't matter what time of day it is, she is up. If she hears noise, she's up. 4, 5, 6, she's up, she's ready to go. She wants her breakfast. She doesn't need coffee. She has enough natural energy.
So you can see your protein coffee here gives you 20 grams of protein. It's not just your protein, it's your coffee and your protein in one. I also add my collagen in there because unfortunately the protein coffee and most of the time specialized coffee do not give you your full range of protein that you need. Also getting my collagen in there, using it as my creamer. And depending on how clean you want to keep this, you could do almond milk or water. I prefer almond milk. It just makes it a little thicker, tastes good. Get everything done all in 1 cup and I get my day started. These carb sense tortillas are gonna save your life. I do 1 slice of turkey bacon, low sodium, and I do ½ a cup of muscle egg whites, and then 1 whole egg. 1 taco, that's it, and I'm getting what I tend to already know for myself is about 25 to 27 grams of protein, a little bit of carbs and fats. The reason I do turkey bacon, the fat, and the carb tortilla is because my carb is so low from the tortilla that I can afford to add in a little bit of fat, and that's my give and take. Now, I am a snacker. Always have 1 or 2 snacks throughout the day, every day. So having a little something that's already prepared helps to keep me on track. So I ended up going with Isoflex, super clean isolate, 25 or 27 grams, it varies to it. And then I also do another scoop of my collagen protein. Anytime I can squeeze in my collagen, I will. I do a couple of these semi-chocolate chips because like I said, I'm a sweet tooth, so I'm gonna give myself a little something. 2 or 3 scoops of peanut butter. Put everything in a bowl, just mix it up. I put a little bit of wax paper at the very bottom. And these guys, I'm gonna just let sit in the fridge about 4 to 6 hours. And then after that, they're ready to roll. On the menu happens to be shrimp tacos. Now the fun part about tacos is you can have these at any time of the day. It's literally the only carbs that are going to be in here, and you will see are from the tortillas. That is it. Other than that, it's just the shrimp and the veggies. Now another big thing that I like to add in is these alternatives. As you can see, I am using Icon Meals seasoning, which is amazing, low calorie, the lowest salt compared to anything else out there. I am cooking with coconut oil. As you can see, I'm just gonna season my shrimp, just let it kind of sit while I cut up some bell peppers. And I am not perfect, so of course I missed the pan, the huge pan. Blending the peppers kind of get a little softer. I throw in the shrimp very quick. So I've learned to make quick meals where I can still get protein, my veggies, my carbs adequate for me.
The biggest thing that I want you guys to take from this is every single thing that I showed you had protein in it. I don't think it's talked about as much, and it's so important. And I'm gonna get into a little bit of a more in-depth video because there's a lot more that I guess the supplement industry doesn't tell you. They just kind of give you the big tub and they're like, here, you need protein, and you don't really know where they can kind of get you. So stay tuned because that will be an amazing video. I'm going to give you the secrets and the things that the supplement companies don't tell you about their products, and that way you can know what you should get and what actually really will work. It's a little bit complicated. I just wanted to keep it simple. Think about getting protein at every single one of your meals and making sure you're falling in within that range. Once it gets a little bit crazier, that's where I suggest getting in a professional. Either come into one of our stores to talk to our supplement specialist, get a trainer, or possibly even look into somebody that can help you make your meals. I want to mention a couple of like the substitutes that I used in this video because that's what helps me stay on track, and it keeps, for me personally, my meals fun, and I feel like I'm still getting what I want without sacrificing a whole lot or being unhappy with the meals that I'm getting because they don't taste good or I don't feel like I'm getting what I want. Two alternatives that I live by, this is daily, week. I make most of our meals. So these guys right here save all my meals. I keep the meals very clean. The meats that I use are very clean. Like if you saw, the shrimp, I didn't do too much to it. If it had been chicken or beef, I keep it very, very clean. Seasonings, I use the Icon Flavor seasonings. They are amazing. They are 0 calories, guys. Less than 1 carb, less than 1 sugar, less than 1 protein. It does have a little bit of sodium, but you're not really consuming that much more sodium than anything else that you're putting in the meals, or at least the way I see it. So I'm allowed to have a little bit of give. This is that give and take that I've been talking about. And last, and tried and true, the taste flavor sauces. They have 4 different sauces. I'll also leave a link below so you can check them out. We do not carry them in our stores, but we did bring Joey Swollen. I believe he is affiliated with this brand, and he sent these to my husband to try them out. And I have reordered easily 4 times since he sent us the first package. They're amazing. They're only 10 calories, no artificial sweeteners. It's all natural. You get 2 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar. It doesn't have any protein, but your sodium is also not terrible. It's about 120 milligrams. These are the healthy alternatives that I use on a daily basis for myself, for my family. This is what I recommend to everyone to help you stay on track. You're not losing your flavor. You're making sure you're getting something healthy. What more can you ask for? So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will definitely get back to you. If you guys have any other concerns or comments or anything that you just want to know, leave a comment down below. I'll definitely get back to you. Send me a DM on my social media. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm definitely posting a lot more stuff there. I am on TikTok now, so I'll be doing quicker videos for you guys on there. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. I appreciate you guys following me today. Love you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Thank you for following.